Bonjour, Genwa Miao Birasige Kwe. Here is your science lesson for today. Nungum Giwika Gigidod Aya A. Those are living things. Giwi Klikatua Minoa Ainetawad. I want you to listen to this video here. Minoa Giwi Wabanan. Try practicing saying this on your own. Minoa. Go to slide 2. Minoa Giwi Ainetawadi Il. Listen to all of these sounds and practice and listen for which ones are our ayaag, our sounds or our things that are alive. Couple questions you need to ask yourself whenever we have ayaag, our living, breathing things. One of them is inanamona. It's the first question to ask yourself. Inanamona. Inanamona. Is she or he breathing? If the answer is aya, then aya, it's ayawag, ayaag. It's a living, breathing thing. The second question you can ask yourself, mama jise. That's your second question right here. Ma jise. Ena. Mama jise ena. Mama jise ena. And if your question is aya, then you're basically agreeing that ayaag are beings that move. These are things that move. Does it move? And if your answer is aya, then it's an ayaag. The third question you can ask yourself, aya or aya ena. Aya ena. Basically, is it alive? Is it even alive? And if your question is if you answer aya, then obviously it is. So we let's look at these different pictures. Ikwe maya, ikwe inanamoana, aya. Ikwe mama jaseana, does she move? Aya. Ayana, is she alive? Aya. Makwa inanamoana, aya. Mama jaseana, aya. Makwa mama jase. Aya ina. Aya. It's alive. Mitig inanamoana. Does it breathe? Aya. The reason why a tree breathes is because it's connected to the ground. There's the ground, the tree is coming up and it's connected. And those leaves are able to breathe and absorb the light and a lot of different things that allows it to grow. Amajise and a'albatik is the tree moving? Yeah, it is moving because it is able to grow. That growing, because it's connected to the ground, makes it mamajise. Yeah, ina, or gawinja, sorry. Aya ina, is it alive then? Yeah. Enini, Emma. Enini, inanamona. Yeah. Mama jise, ina, enini. Does the man move? Yeah. Ayana, is he alive? Yeah. Asabakeshi winini. Spider-Man. Inanamona. Yeah. He breathes too. Sabakeshi winini. Mama jiseana. Yeah. He moves too. He has spider webs coming from his hands. He can swing, jump, all that stuff. Ayana. Is he alive? Yeah. Might be a cartoon or comic book character, but he is alive because he does all of those things. Minua, BBN Somaya. Inanamona. BBNs. Does the baby breathe? Yeah. Mama Jaseana. Yeah. BBNs the baby crawls. Minua Gedua Domino. The baby also plays. Ayana. Yeah. Is the baby alive? Yes. Yes, it is. Minua Gaye. Migizi Omaya. Migizi inanamona. Does the eagle breathe? Yeah. Yes, it does. Mama Jaseana. Aya, magizi be masig. Magizi be masig. That eagle flies. Ayana, is the eagle alive? Aya. Magizi aya a. Aya a. Aya a. Aha, mio good kina. Aya a gomaya. Ha, minwa gaye nungum. Misa iu oshke ikadowanan. Gigia zichigan gida weweni oshabian. Weweni inituan. Carefully listen to all of these audio clips I have on here, reading to you what each words are. And then we will go over more to go with these. Like next week, we'll talk about where do these living beings live. For your work assignment for today on this page, what I want you to do is to I want you to draw something that is a living being. So some things to keep in mind for when you're drawing your something that's alive. Inanamoana. Does it breathe? Mamajaseana. Does it move? And ayaina. Is it a living being? Is it alive? So if you can answer all three of those questions with an aya or a yes, then you can draw it for this. That's it for this activity today. Thank you for listening to me. I'll see you soon. Have a good weekend.